Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning. Starting the day 6 a.m. Gotta have a cup of coffee to get you going. Well, want to just share with you, I use a Keurig machine. I have an older Keurig machine, works great. I don't put a filter in the water. What I use is bottled filter water. This is a cap called the Crazy Cap, and it uses UVC lighting, and there you go. It's activated by the tap of two buttons. I'll put a link to it, and so it seems to help maintain and keep the water clean. But what happens with coffee after a while, when you're running through the machine, is, as you can see here, the water is not that clear. So I mean, it's kind of clear, but it's getting yellow. And so one of the things that is recommended to do, let me just straighten out the camera, is one, every so often you want to run the machine with distilled water and vinegar. And I'm going to be doing a video about that. In the meantime, what I'll do is I'll put a link to another video, if I could find it, that shows the process to do it, and it really can help. But what I do is, after I've run generally after a cup of coffee, I run another cup of just hot water to make sure it's looking clear. So then that's what I did here. You could see it was yellow. So then what I'll even do is run it one more time with with no coffee in there, and I'll do 8 ounces, and we'll see how much clearer it looks now versus on the first cup. But this way it helps clean the line, and it's better for you, and ultimately just helps, really keep that machine cleaning the inside, because there are articles that do show that potentially mold can build up, and so you want to just make sure to keep it fresh. And when you're not using the machine for an extended period of time, you want to make sure that your water has been emptied out, so there's no water just sitting there. Let's see how it looks now. So that looks a lot better. Let me fix my camera angle to show you. There you go. You can see how much clearer that looks. So just wanted to share this tip with you. Let me know if you have any questions. But I do this generally almost every time that I use the machine, so I can make sure the water is clear. Again, I'll put the links to about making sure and how to clean it using the white vinegar, and also just talking about what could build up in these machines as far as mold, which something you don't want to really think about, but can happen. So I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.